Hi, this is George. As you can see, it's snowing a little bit out here today. It's Monday, February 15th. Just thought I'd make a video to follow up my blizzard of 2010. Thought I'd call this one part 2. This is our second week of snow that we're getting, and I just wanted to show everyone what a day in the farm was like, in the middle of a blizzard. There's lots to do, when it snows like this. Lots of fun things to do. The snow accumulation actually was exaggerated, as they always do on weather reports. I like the snow, actually. My son Sam and I get along very well, and he likes to be included in the movies that I shoot most of the time. Just thought I'd share it with you and show you what a day in a blizzard is like.